A very good morning, everyone. My name is Ms. Gunjan. I'm a teacher of grade 1A.
Myself, Freddy Franklin. I will be the class teacher for 1B.
Happy Holi, everyone. First,
wish you the same, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm going to share my screen with you. Just give me 1 minute, please.
Yes. So we are welcoming back to school.
Today our agenda is list of scholastic and co-scholastic subjects in the timetable. We'll talk about languages like English, Hindi, French, Arabic textbooks. We'll focus on maths like mental math and math lab activities. And we'll focus on science and science lab activities as well. It's ICT also program we use. Anything extra we do, integration with other subjects.
Next is that we will talk about the other extracurricular activities like PE, yoga, dance, music and art. And we will then discuss about the online etiquettes which we have to follow. Next will be the homework policy and submission for your grade. The next will be the assessment schedule for the cyclic and periodic test details and the dates. Next will be the other activities.
Dear parents, in between, if you have any question, please let us know. We will solve as soon as possible.
You can press the hand raise button, so you can call out to your names and you can ask the doubts, whatever you are having.
So first day of schedule will be for children. It will start from 4th of April, which is coming Sunday. Blending learning, face-to-face. Those who are coming to school, for them timing will be 8 to 10 a.m. Those who are only distance learning, like online, their timing will be 11 to 1 p.m. It's only on Sunday, 4th of April. From Monday, it will be like normal school from 8 to 10 p.m. It will be a normal timing, morning 8 o'clock till 2:10 p.m. And in Ramadan, school timing will be intimate later. It will be a different timing, so we will email you, we will intimate you later.
These are our scholastic and co-scholastic subjects. In the scholastic subject, there will be Arabic, Islamic studies or ethics, UAE SST, English, Hindi or French, science, math and MEP. Then these are co-scholastic subjects like ICT, art or craft, dance, music, PE, yoga and swimming.
These are the books. It's a front page of the book. This is our English book. It's a textbook. Hindi textbook. It's only a front page. Maths textbook. Science textbook. SST textbook. In SST, we have 3 volumes. Volume number 1, 2, 3. Same as in Arabic, we have 3 volumes. That means 3 books. In moral education, that means MEP, we have 3 books. And Islamic, we have 2 kind of books. Volume number 1, volume number 2. And there is a choice in between Islamic and ethics.
This is for language English. We are having some online tools which helps in the reading skill. As well as for the Arabic as well. That is 3A Safir. This is online tool which we used to follow for Arabic reading. And for the library period, the library teacher will intimate you with the login ID and the password for reading. This is the science focus area. So in the science focus area, we will enable our students to observe the world around. So we will try to connect the concept with the real life situations and we will ask them to predict. For example, what would happen if you pour oil in water? What do you think will happen to the level of water if you drop a stone into the water? So this will develop the curiosity in them and help them to perform simple experiments at home and find out. And for example, so do you think all solids dissolve in water? Ask them, what do you conclude after finding it out? So next question will be, can you compare these 2 leaves? Give them a paper to record their observation. and we will ask them to classify, like sort out objects into groups. For an example, they can sort out water animals as well as the land animals. These are some scientific skills and activities which we did previously.
About maths, we'll focus on maths area. In maths, we will learn about place value. Like we will teach about in 546, what is the place value of 4? It's 40, not 4. So we will learn about the place value. And after that, we will learn about addition and subtraction. First, we will start from basic, like 1-digit number, addition and subtraction. When they are fine with the 1-digit number, we will start with 2-digit numbers. And in maths, we will learn about tables as well, not in the starting, but end of the year. Like from January, we will start learning fact tables. I know it's not in the syllabus, but sometimes we have to do addition. So we will learn about table of 2, 3, and 5. We will learn table of 5 because kids has to learn how to read the clock, the time. So for that, we will learn about table of 5. Have a good set of image and models and games to develop interest in mathematics. A good bank of double and half. So in maths, we will learn about double and half. Like double of 4 is 8 and half of 8 is 4. So we will focus on that areas as well. These are few pictures which one we did previously. These pictures the kids are doing in maths lab. So we have a separate, once in a while we have one period or one class in maths lab. They will do maths activities in there.
These are some other areas of math, like they will do mental maths and they will do some activities like hands-on activities, math lab activities in the math lab once in a week. These are some pictures which we took, like which we did previously. This is related to physical education to develop health and happiness for our children. This is related to PE and yoga. These are some activities which we did previously, which is related to dance and music. These are some pictures related to the assembly which we conduct once in a week. These are some activities which we did during the Halloween day. These are some photos that we did previously on the sports day. Once in a week, we are going to have assembly on Thursday. So these are the pictures which is related to that.
Assignment policy. Student will need to submit the homework on the date of the submission given by the subject teacher. Teacher will make sure enough time is given to complete the given homework or assignment. Suppose it's an English homework, so every day we will not give all the homeworks. We will give like that. Like on Sunday, only English and ICT teacher will give homework. On Monday, only Arabic teacher will give homework. On Tuesday, science teacher will give homework. Wednesday, only UAE SST teacher will give homework. And on Thursday, maths, Hindi or French teacher will give homework. So every day, kids will not have all subjects homework. They will have only one subject homework, so that if English teacher is giving homework only on Sunday, so they have enough time to complete the homework, English homework. So till Thursday evening or maybe Friday morning, they have to finish their homework so that teacher can check their homework and they can assign where you are wrong, where you are correct. Due to unavoidable situation, due to the pandemic parents of distance learning, students may submit the classwork of their words every Thursday in their respective subject files on MS Team. Parents should make sure that the students folder should be named correctly for every subject on MS Team. We will teach the kids and we will teach you as well how to save the team. Suppose they have to save English homework, so they have to save only English folder. We will make a folders. If it's English homework, they have to save only in English folder. They can't save on any folders. We will teach you about that during the class. So they have to save in the proper time and in a proper team.
The next part is that reading. For all subjects, there will be a reading time. for 15 minutes. Either they can read the storybook or the textbook. Next part is that at the beginning of each day, we are having circle time. During that time, your ward can prepare or they can read some news, they can share with their friends. So each child will get a chance to share the news what they have read that day. Next part is that there will be a book format which they have to follow for, from grade 1 to grade 3.
Homework policy. Assignments will be given to the students. Student need to complete the assignments and submit in team on the dates given by the teacher. So they have to submit their homework on time and in a proper folder. These are the cyclic test 1 and 2. After every 3 months, term wise, we have cyclic test. Cyclic test 1 and 2, it's in the term 1. Cyclic test 3 and 4, it's in term 2. So cyclic test 4 will be the final exam. Cyclic test 1, it's a tentative dates. We wrote it here. If there is any changes, we will let you know previously. So exam will start from 6th of June 2021 till 14th of June. If there is any changes in that, we will for sure, we will let you know. And exam will be on only 20 marks. Cyclic test 2, it will start from 10/10/2021 till 20/10/2021. Sorry. Cyclic test 3, dates are here and marks will be only on 20 marks. Timetable for the assignment will be shared before the start date. No student should remain absent for any of the tests unless in case of any medical emergency about which the class teacher should be updated through a mail. So in case if your child cannot join the class, they have some issues, internet issue or medical issue, you have to intimate the respective teachers. Any additional information regarding the assignment will be notified before the commencement of the assignment.
These are some online rules etiquettes for students who are doing distance learning. Like, make sure that the child sits in a place where there are no distractions when attending the online classes like TV, music, etc. They should sit properly on the chair, not on the bed or sofa. Then they should be present for the online class on time according to the timetable. They will get a call from the respective teacher as per the timetable. And students should be respectful and kind to the teachers and to the classmates. And students are not permitted to put unnecessary messages, wishes, gifs or pictures in the group. And avoid chatting or sending messages to friends online in MS Teams. And keep the video and microphone off unless and until your teacher tells to switch it on. Thank you.